Some of the questions from the previous asked exam. That is, the first question is a coin is tossed successfully 3 times. Find the probability event sample space of getting exactly one head or two heads where n is the number of occurrence. This is the question asked in UGC NET 2024 June re-exam paper. So this is a probability question. So it is very simple question, but we have we have known about the probability concept. Then only we can answer this question. So what is probability? Probability is a measure of how likely an event is to happen. So here the probability values are in the range of 0 to 1. In the range of 0 to 1, 0 is impossible event and 1 is the certain event. Experiment the process with certain uncertain outcomes. So what are the sample space means? The set of all possible outcomes of an experiment. When an experiment is happened, what are the possible outcomes involved in the particular experiment? That is called a sample space. For example, tossing a coin. So that in the coin tossing, the sample spaces, what are the possibility when we toss a coin? Only head or tail. So that is the sample space involved in the tossing coin. So event means what is the chance to occur. That is the when we toss a coin, we are going to get the head value. That is the event. So this is called the probability. So this is a simple probability concept. Using this concept only, when we know about this concept only, we can answer the probability questions. So how we can find the probability of a particular event means number of possible outcomes. Number of possible outcomes then divided by total number of possible outcomes. This is the formula used for finding the probability of an event. So here I have given two examples. First one, rolling a dice. What is the probability of rolling 3? When we roll a dice, what is the chance of getting 3 in the operation? 3 in the rolling operation. So number of favorable outcomes of 3 is only 1. So single die is thrown. So each side is one number. So 6 sides are there, one number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 6. So what are the total number of outcomes is 6. Total number of possibility is 6. We have to get the possibility of 3, value 3. So that is the 1 value. What is possibility of 1? So the formula is probability of an event equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes are for getting 3 is for rolling a single dice, that is only one possibility. So that is 1. Total number of values in the dice is 6. So 1 by 6. The answer is 1 by 6. So the second one is tossing a coin. What is the probability of getting a head when we toss a coin? When we toss a coin, only two possibilities, that is head or tail. Only two possibilities, that are head or tail. So here the number of favorable outcomes of getting head when we toss a coin is only one, that is 1. Total number of possibilities are 2, head or tail. So head and tail, that are two number of possibilities. So the probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes, that is 1 by 2. So this is some example for probability. So now we come to our question. So the question is, a coin is tossed successfully 3 times. A single coin that is successfully tossed 3 times, not only one time. We are going to toss a coin 3 times. Find the probability, event, and sample space. So these are the 3 different values we have to find out. So n is the number of occurrence. N is the number of occurrence. So here some choices are given. Here some charges are given, n of s equal to some value, then n of e equal to some value, then second option is given, third option. So choose the correct answer from the options given below. So here some values are given. From this we have to choose the correct answer. So for this we have to solve this problem. So this is the explanation. That is, a coin is tossed three times. A coin is tossed three times. So the sample space S equal to, the sample space S equal to, when we toss a coin three times, in all the three times, suppose in all the three times we are getting the head value. So that is the first one, H, H, H. That is, in all the three times we are getting the head. In all the three times we are getting the tail. In the first time we are getting, first and last, third time we are getting head value. In the second time we are getting the tail. In the next one, in the first and third time we are getting tail. In the second time we are getting head. In the next one, first two times we are getting head. The last chance is tail. Tail. Then the next one, the first two chances are tail. The last one is head. The next one is first chance tail. The remaining two is head. The first one is head. The remaining two are tail. So the total number of sample space. The total number of sample space is called the N of S. That is the number of times, number of sample space, that is 8 here. That is N of S equal to 8. Let A be the event of getting exactly one head or two heads. The problem is getting exactly one head or two heads. That is the problem. Exactly getting one head or two heads. So we have to find the value for this. In the, let A be the event of getting exactly one head or two heads. That is, number of events equal to n of e equal to 6. N of e equal to 6. That is, how we can find this value 6 means, from this we have to count the, from this sample space we have to count this number of occurrences having the value one head or two head. So here one head or two head, this one, then the third one, then 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, this is first one is three heads, all are three heads, no, so don't take this. The second, third option, that is two heads, one. In the next option only one head, so take this option. So that is 2. Then next one is two heads, 3. Then next one is one head, so take 4. Then next one is two heads, so take this one as a count. Then next one is one head. So totally six possibilities, six possibilities are there for getting one head or two tails, not three heads. So don't count this value. Only count the values which are having one head or two heads value. So the total count is n of e equal to event is 6. So what is the probability formula? The probability formula is total number of possible outcomes, then total number of outcomes, then what is the possibility of getting one head or two heads. So here the formula is n of e divided by n of s, which is equal to 6 by 8. We can short this value 3 by 4. The answer is 3 by 4. So the probability of getting at least one head or two heads is, the answer is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the result. So when the here the problem is asking about the probability, event and sample space. So the probability is 3 by 4. The probability is 3 by 4. That is in answer C, option C. Then the event is equal to 6 and sample space is 8. That is given in the second option B. N of E equal to 6 and N of S equal to 8 and probability is 3 by 4. So these are the three answers. So these three answers are given in the option B and C. Option B and C. So option B and C are the correct answer. Options B and C are the correct answer. So this is one of the question from the probability. It is asked in the recent August 23rd exam, re-exam, June 2024 re-exam. So the similar question of probability is a bag contains 6 white and 4 red balls. Two balls are drawn at random. This is also the question asked in the recent exam. What is the chance they will be at the same color? So one bag contains 6 white balls and 4 red balls. Two balls are drawn at random. Randomly we are taking the balls from the bag. So randomly two balls are taking from the balls. What is the question is what is the chance they will be the same color? The two balls are same color. What are the colors in the bag that are white and red? So sometimes that may be the two color balls are white. Sometimes that may be the two balls are red. So how can we solve this? So this is the explanation of this question. First we have to find out the total number of balls. Total number of balls, that is 6 plus 4 equal to 10 balls. 6 white balls, 4 red balls, so 10 balls. Then two balls are taking randomly from the bag. So the total number of ways. Then we have to find the total number of possibilities n, which is equal to NCR. We have to find the value NCR. N is the number of balls, total number of balls. 2 is the number of how many balls taken from the bag. So that is 10C2. 10C2. 10 is the total number of balls and 2 is the number of balls taking from the bag. 10C2. So for the balls to be of the same color, the problem is what is the chance that will be the same color, which means all are red or white. The two balls are red or the two balls are white. When we take the ball, the two balls are red or rather the two balls are white. So what is the probability? So number of favorable cases for this chances for this randomly taken, that is of the same color, is m equal to, we have to find out the uh, addition of these two values. That is the 6 white balls are there. Suppose the two balls are white means the possibility is 6C2. The two balls are red means the possibility is 4C2. So this is the NCR value. So we have to find the answer for this. So chances, total number of outcomes. We have to know about the total number of outcomes, then favorable cases. So the probability formula is here, that is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. So here the value is 6C2 plus 4C2 divided by 10C2. So this is the formula. Then we work out this formula. We are getting the answer 7 by 15. We are getting the answer 7 by 15. So the result is 7 by 15. So here the problem is that will be the same color. In some problems they are asking one ball is white, one ball is red. So that is a different problem, which means we have to find the product of these two value. So different sets of different methods of chance are there. So we have to go through all the in future. Okay, next one. So this is the answer for this question is 7 by 15.